Hey everyone! Thank you for joining me today. This is Gavriel, and today I'm going to give you a small tip about how to control ceramic coating curing process. There are 3 factors that we need to control while applying ceramic coating that will make our work easier. Heat and humidity. High heat and humidity will cause faster crystallization that will cause the catalyst to work faster, and we might lose the time frame that we have for easy buff off of the coating. Therefore, we need to keep the temperature and humidity as low as possible in order to work properly and have control over the initial curing process. How can we control heat and humidity? Easy with an AC. Controlled temperature together with dry air will reduce dramatically the speed of curing and will give us control over the coating. But what is the third factor that makes the coating cure faster? It is the wind. Even when we work indoors, we need to remember that if the air moves, it affects the speed of curing. Sometimes when I visit detailing shops, I see that they have their AC pulling cold air directly on the car that is being applied with ceramic coating, and they don't understand why they have hard times applying ceramic coating. Remember, heat, humidity, and wind. Control environment, easy application. For more tips and tricks, please visit our website, Instagram, or Facebook.